of let's see how to set up iPad 10 generation with iPhone. In the first step, open settings. Next, tap Wi-Fi. After that, join a network. In the next step, open settings. After that, choose Bluetooth. Later, switch on Bluetooth. In the next step, open settings. After that, press Apple ID. Then log in with the same ID as the iPhone. In the next step, open settings. Next, choose iCloud. Now activate iCloud Drive. In the next step, open settings. After that, navigate to handoff and AirPlay. Then enable handoff. You are good to go.